Hello, today we will guide you through how the TEMU affiliate program works and how to register. In this video, we'll walk through where to find the affiliate program on the TEMU website and how to begin the registration process. If you're interested in earning by promoting products through your content, website, or social channels, this is a simple place to get started. Begin by visiting the TEMU Philippines website. Once the homepage loads, take a moment to make sure you're on the correct regional version of the site, since affiliate pages can sometimes vary depending on location. Starting from the homepage is helpful because it lets you access the official program link directly from the platform itself. From there, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. The footer area usually contains important links such as company information, support resources, and promotional programs. If you do not see the link right away, continue slowly to the very end of the homepage until the full footer section becomes visible. When you reach the bottom, look for the option labeled Affiliate and Influencer Program, Join to Earn, and click it. This will take you to the page where TEMU explains its partnership opportunities. This section is designed for people who want to promote TEMU and potentially earn commissions or rewards through referrals, so it's a good place to review before signing up. On the affiliate program page, click Join as an affiliate. This opens the registration area where you can begin setting up your application. If you already have a TEMU account, the site may continue directly into the sign-up flow. If not, just follow what appears on your screen to move forward. Next, select Sample Channel. This part is typically used to indicate the type of platform or method you plan to use for promotion. Choose the option that best matches how you intend to share affiliate links, whether that's through content, a social platform, or another approved channel. Selecting the most accurate option can help make the registration process smoother. After that, click Next, then follow the on-screen procedure. At this stage, TEMU may ask for more details related to your affiliate setup, so read each page carefully before submitting anything. It's always a good idea to double-check your entries for accuracy so there are no delays in completing your registration. Once you finish the steps shown on the screen, your affiliate application process should be underway. That's all for this guide on how the TEMU affiliate program works and how to register.